Today, we're diving into the spiral transition, a fun and creative way to transition between clips. Let's get started. First, add two clips to your timeline and place them back to back. This sets the stage for a smooth transition. Head over to the FX library, navigate to video transitions, and look for spiral vibe. Drag and drop it between your clips. Now that the spiral transition is in place, click on it in the timeline and open the inspector to customize it. Border. Enable the border option to add an outline to the spiral. This makes the transition pop even more. Border color. Customize the border color to match your edit's aesthetic. Go bold or keep it subtle. To adjust how long the transition lasts, simply click and drag the edges of the transition directly on the timeline. Make it quicker for snappy edits or slower for a dramatic effect. Preview the transition and watch as your clips spiral into each other with a stylish twist. This effect is perfect for creative projects, music videos, or any edit needing a unique touch. And that's it. You've created a stunning spiral transition in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more editing tips.